So do you think the audio in this video that you're hearing at the current moment in time is good? Well, if you do, then I'm going to teach you how to get the same crispy audio for under $10. Roll in that intro. Hey, it's JK. Welcome back to another episode of the JK Tech Show on the channel. I'm your host Ali Abdul Kareem, and this is the daily, no weekend show where I cover technology. Now, I have been slacking for a bit because I moved from Oman to England. We are living in this cottage temporarily, and it's hard to pump out videos from the JK Tech Show. So I've just throwing out them vlogs here and there, so I'm trying to get back into a routine where I can get more of this content out, because I know that you guys really enjoy it, or I hope you do. Anyways, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get really crispy audio like you're hearing right now for under $10. So obviously there are loads of microphones, and right now I'm filming outdoors. There's rain, there's all that kind of jazz, and obviously don't want to be hearing the rain, so I can't be using a mic on the camera or the mic that's in the camera, because all the rain and the wind and stuff like that's around me will get picked up. So you definitely don't want that to be happening in your videos or films or whatever the hell you're making. Now obviously if you have like a good budget, $50, you can get the condenser microphone that I've discussed previously. I'm going to have a full video on that later on. That's what I used to use for the JK Tech Show. Obviously, when I get a permanent place, I will be using that. Condenser microphones are much better for sit-down videos. Shotgun microphones for vlogs, all that kind of jazz. I made microphone videos previously. You can learn that all there. But what I'm using right now to record this audio, if you haven't noticed already, are the Apple AirPods. Now, if you have any iPhone, then this comes standard with the device. If you don't have any iPhone, you can just buy them for like $10 from Apple and plug it into your phone and start recording the audio with like whatever voice recording app on your phone. Now you don't need to have any external voice recorder. You don't need to do it on your laptop. You can if you want. And then you just sync it with your video in post. If you want to do a podcast, you can do it like this. Sounds real good. I do my AKJK rules on this, my short episode of the podcast. Now, these earpods are pretty versatile. You can use them as just normal earphones. They have a great microphone, in my opinion. Under $10, you can, if you get the normal aux port, you can use it on Android devices, iPhones, laptops, all that kind of jazz. Just these earphones, really great quality. Now, if you updated your iPhone to iOS 12 and you have an iPhone, whatever, then you'll know that the new Voice Memos app is killer. So this is definitely great. Pair it with the Voice Memos app and you can get some insane quality. You can even do the editing on the Voice Memos app and all that kind of jazz. So the quality is gonna be legit. But there are things that you need to be aware of, because if you do these mistakes, you will ruin the audio drastically. And I mean drastically. But before I get to those mistakes, I'd just like to discuss something very quickly. First of all, I'm in England right now in Exeter, raining while I'm filming this video, so it's really good to have this microphone because it's right next to my mouth. I'm currently living in a cottage for the next couple of weeks, and my boys back in Oman gave me a few gifts before I left. I will be covering those in a future episode, but right now it's sort of moving and stuff, and we have to move from this cottage, like one that's right there. It's annoying. When we're over into that cottage, I might sort of show you and unbox all the things that they got. Really great. Miss you guys, and if you're watching this, then you can let me know in the comment section down below. I love that I can now wear hoodies because it's much colder in here, and you guys back in Oman can't be wearing hoodies with your 40 degrees, so yeah, screw you. Now let's get back to the rest of the episode. So the mistakes that you want to be wary of are, so definitely do not be doing this. If you heard the audio right now, doing that is horrible. Any movements with this are not good. You need to be sat down. You can be walking, but shaking from side to side where this will start swaying is not something that you want for your audio. Now, another alternative, which is practically free, is recording directly into your phone like this. I wouldn't recommend it because it shakes and you get major audio crackles. I've tried to do that before. It didn't turn out well. Definitely don't recommend it unless you have stable setup and you can get the phone right here. It will block the the view. So if you're watching a video like this, I obviously wouldn't do it. Like, you have like a tower in front of me and then my phone there, would look absolutely ridiculous. So definitely don't want that in my content. But if you're just doing voiceovers, then you can get away with building a stack of books and placing your phone at the top. If your phone falls, I'm not. Don't contact me. I don't recommend it. Use the earphones, it's better. Overall, the Apple AirPods for under $10, or just roughly $10, definitely a great pickup. Or if you already have them, really good for recording audio. Nice sound quality, like just listening, obviously not audiophile. Now, the rain's getting a bit heavy, so I do want to wrap this up. So, definitely recommend this. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And there will be Amazon links likely. I'll leave an Apple and Amazon. The Amazon is an affiliate link, so it will be helping me out. I'll get 10% kickback and it won't charge you anything extra. And I do believe that on Amazon it's cheaper, so definitely go buy it on Amazon. The fit is good for these earphones, and I just want to give a disclaimer. You can buy these little fitted earbud covers where it can change the shape of this in case you don't want to have this kind of feel. That fits me very well, so I'm fine with it. But if you don't want it, you can add something to it in the description down below as well. Affiliate links. You'll be helping me out by giving me a 10% kickback. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you'd enjoy this piece of content or video, whatever you want to call it. All my social media platforms are in the description down below. I'm at AKJKYT on all social medias. I definitely want to get in because my camera is getting battered by the rain. That's about it. Turn on notifications so you're notified every time I do upload. You can subscribe to my podcast, which I'm doing daily right now, the AKJK Audio Show, all that jazz. Everything that you want to know about this video will be in the description down below. I just want to ask you, in the comment section down below, are you going to be picking up AirPods, or do you already have them? Are you going to start using them for recording audio? In the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll see you tomorrow, because here at AKJK, the grind is daily.